now on, it is up to all of us to usher what could be the 21st century biggest victory.
Created almost 7 years ago, with over 200 projects implemented across the globe, the Prince Albert II Foundation is today a key player in environmental protection.
Le changement climatique nous lance un nouveau défi. J'ai foi en notre capacité à le relever ensemble.
The Foundation is highly involved in its own initiatives and brings on board a number of international partners in its priority fields of action: the mitigation of climate change impacts and the promotion of renewable energies, the protection of biodiversity, the preservation of water resources, and the fight against desertification in priority geographical regions.
Il ne faut pas opposer développement d'activités économiques et préservation de la nature, donc il faut maintenir cet équilibre.
With the Monaco Blue Initiative, the Foundation has teamed up with key players within the world of conservation to develop a renewed vision for the protection of the marine environment. A vision compatible with the economic development of offshore activities. At the same time, the Foundation is committed to improving marine protected area management. The Prince Albert II of Monaco Foundation also champions causes related to environmental issues which require urgent action, such as the protection of the bluefin tuna. It's brought together political decision makers, scientists, local NGOs, the majority of international NGOs and food professionals, so that these stakeholders can join forces to protect this emblematic Mediterranean species.
It has to work together. You have to develop the scientific investigation, the conservation, and the social development has to emerge simultaneously.
Another critically endangered Mediterranean species, and just as emblematic, the monk seal. After facilitating several expert meetings and conducting observer missions in the field, the Foundation, together with its Italian and Greek partners, launched a project to establish a marine protected area around a site in the Aegean Sea. The site is home to one of the last monk seal colonies. Both on and offshore, the determination of the Prince Albert II Foundation of Monaco remains intact with regard to various issues, such as the fight against deforestation. With the initiative Monaco Makes a Commitment Against Deforestation, the Foundation takes action in the largest forested areas of the planet.
Essayons de choisir des endroits dans le monde qu'il faut sauver absolument.
Ça sous-entend qu'il y a une richesse que l'on n'a pas encore découverte, qui risque de disparaître avec la forêt.
It also sets example on home soil and within the international yachting sector. From land to sky, the Prince Albert II of Monaco Foundation is involved in the reintroduction of Europe's largest bird of prey, the bearded vulture, which had disappeared from our mountain ranges. The reintroduction of this species at the top of the food chain was recently crowned with success when the first hatchings in the natural environment took place. From sky to sea, with the Planet Solar Adventure, the boat, with its striking resemblance to a marine bird, holds the world tour record powered entirely by solar energy. The voyage set off from Monaco, an illustration of the Foundation's commitment to promoting renewable energies.
L'enjeu de nos sociétés en cette première 50 années du XXIe siècle, c'est véritablement de reconsidérer notre rapport à l'énergie.
In addition to these field projects, the Foundation continues to make its voice heard at the highest level during international negotiations. Together with charismatic players who share the same values, the Foundation constantly strives to raise the awareness of the younger generation.
We feel as a global family and as global citizens, we can do a lot.
This commitment is reflected in its field projects, in the sharing of human experiences, as well as in the think tanks it sets up in conjunction with prestigious partners concerning the Foundation's priority fields of action, such as energy and water.
L'eau, c'est une ressource qui doit être partagée. Comment peut-on essayer de satisfaire au mieux tous les usages ?
The Foundation's annual award ceremony also provides the opportunity of giving recognition to personalities whose action counts with regard to environmental protection.
This is why we must seize this opportunity today.
Prominent figures who serve as models for future generations. Above all, the Foundation is men and women, who in all parts of the world share the same values and thus help to protect our planet.
Today it is urgent to address the challenge of protecting our planet. It is a huge yet exhilarating task for each one of us.